Let's now mess with the house settings proper. This is where things get really fun. I'm going to right click on this again, but this time I'm going to click on house settings. And you can see here that you can call up the basic settings. I'm going to just, for the moment, just stick with this one to start with. The first thing I'm going to do is make them a shallow roof. The second thing I'm going to do is actually change the fill pattern. If you click on here, I'm going to change it to something very noticeable. I'm going to change it to leaves. And that's a bit fill, so it's a bitmap fill. So there we go, we've got our leaves in there. One of the things that you might also want to change is the width of the ridging. I'm going to make that 1. In fact, I'm going to make it 2. I'm going to make it very large. Now what we have is a house that looks a bit like some sort of like an elf encampment with leaves. And I'm going to save this, and I'm going to call this, instead of default, I'm going to call this leaves. Okay? If I click on OK now, right, now if I go to house street settings, I can select this one as being leaves, and in fact I'm going to make it 100%. We'll actually add some additional ones in there. We'll make it, say, 60% leaves and 40% dark. So now we've got the new leaves style houses that we've just created in there, and we've got the settings, we've got the dark houses as well. We'll leave everything else the same. We'll click on OK. I'm not going to have it on left and right. In fact, yes, I'll show you. If we click left and right, when we draw this, it's going to draw along both sides of the road at the same time. So left click, draw it around, and bingo. And if we look into that, you can see that our new house designs are drawn there. Now, those are all the essential things that you need to know about basically creating customized, highly flexible, automated house drawing across your map. So that is the random streets tool. It's incredibly powerful. You do want to right click on it and start experimenting, get under the hood of it, get those house settings designed for your city type. Right, armed with all of that information, we're actually now going to go on and start planning out and mapping our houses and our architecture on our city map. See you in the next tutorial.